Medux is an AI toolbox built for creative media workflows, from image editing to video generation and beyond. In this tutorial, we'll use Codex to call Medux through MCP and complete a head swap on an image. Let's do a quick head swap with Medux, right from Codex. Medux is an AI toolbox, and Codex can call it through MCP. So we stay in one workflow instead of jumping between dashboards. First, Codex checks the image files and the tool options. Then, it prepares the request for Medux's face editing workflow. Here, we describe the goal. Replace the head, but keep the image natural. Codex sends the prompt and assets through the MCP connection. Medux handles the heavy lifting: identity, alignment, and visual consistency. The useful part is control. We're not rebuilding the whole image. We only change the target head while preserving the pose, lighting, and background. While the job runs, Codex keeps checking the status for us. No custom API script. No manual upload flow, just one clear request. When the render is ready, Medux returns the swapped head result. Now we can preview it and compare the new face with the original. The workflow feels simple. Codex operates, Medux generates.